Now let me tell you guys something, okay? You do not need to go out there and get the latest hype camera. And we all know which camera I'm talking about. It starts with the letter C. A lot of these influencers are pushing people to get this little camera. They're not really pushing them, but they're saying this is the one that you need to have. Now let me tell you guys, you do not need to go out and spend your hard-earned money to get that particular camera. You can just use the one that you already have, but you will need a flash in order to get those results. And the flash that we're gonna be talking about today is this one right here. This thing is super compact, so you can actually bring it with you wherever you are, whether you are in a nice little restaurant, whether you're out on the beach, or if you just want to snap some photos. So Godox sent me their new iT30 Pro. It's this little tiny flash, smaller than my phone, and I've been using it for a little bit now. And honestly, it's very cool how much technology they can pack into this little tiny thing. And I gotta tell you guys, this little screen in the back is amazing, but we're gonna get into that in just a little bit. Now, first thing, it's ridiculously small. It's around 120 grams. You can literally keep it in your pocket. Compared to my big Fujifilm EF-X500, that is literally massive next to it, and I honestly don't even use it anymore because it is so large. This little flash still packs an amazing punch without the crazy bulk. Now, what I really like a lot is obviously the form factor, and I can just literally put it inside my little Peak designed bag here along with my X-T4, and everything just fits perfectly snug. And there's actually a lot of room left for me to put another lens, like a, I don't know, 56mm f1.8 Sigma, which would fit easily in this bag. Now, I don't know if you guys understand, but a lot of these larger flashes, they actually use AA batteries. Maybe it's because the EF-X500 is old. Maybe that's why mine has AA batteries in it. Maybe the newer ones just have a built-in battery, but this little one has a built-in battery, which makes it super convenient to just charge on the go. And with a full charge, you're going to get about 560 shots at full power, which is pretty mind-blowing considering how small this flash is. You will easily get a full day's worth of shoot, whether you are in an environment where you still have some sunlight, but you want to expose the subject properly against the background. This thing is going to be able to achieve that look. Okay, now we're gonna get into my favorite part, which is the touchscreen. Okay, this thing has a touchscreen in the back, and it is 2.8 inches, and it is very bright and very intuitive. Okay, so when you're touching it, it's not like, you know, those old smartphones. Okay, this thing is very intuitive and very sensitive. So when you're moving around, it feels very nice. Now, this touchscreen is definitely way more intuitive than what I'm normally used to, which are just like these little tiny squishy buttons. This is far from that, okay, because you are able to access like sub-menus, and there's a lot, okay, there's a lot of functionality built into this touchscreen. Now, of course, we still have a few little physical buttons, but there's only 3 of them, okay? So, you know, you have, you know, your menu button, of course, you have your set, and then you have your flash and your flash test button, and also the on and off button, which are physical, and I like those to be physical. And of course, on the top, you have the little scroll wheel. The scroll wheel is really nice, and it does not feel cheap by any means. It just feels like a very nice, high quality product. It definitely has a little tiny bit of weight to it. I mean, like I said, it's 120 grams, which is not heavy by any means, but it still has enough weight to tell you that this is definitely a nice, well-made product. Now, this is definitely not the most powerful flash that I have tried, but it is powerful enough for most situations. So of course you have your different power levels. But what really makes this flash unique is the recycle rate. Okay, this thing recycles in 1.5 seconds at full power, which is very impressive. Now, just because this thing is tiny, okay, it does not mean that you're going to miss out on some pro features. Like, you're getting TTL, you're getting a manual mode, and also you're getting multi-flash mode. and of course, even high-speed sync at 1/8000 shutter speed, which is pretty crazy, okay? Now, of course, and because it is part of the Godox X series, it can be a master or receiver, so you could trigger other Godox flashes with it. Now, unfortunately, I do not have another Godox flash to test this out, so I'm just going to take their word for it that it works. Now, you guys in the comment section, let me know if you have this little flash and another Godox flash. Will it actually trigger that flash, and how well does it work? Is the setup buggy? Does it work really well? Just let me know. Let me know in the comment section below. And for me, in the future, if I do ever get one more Godox flash, I'm definitely going to be testing this out. Now, here is what it actually does. Okay, so I've tested this flash out in different scenarios, like one with a background like a sunset. Here's what it looks like without a flash, and then here is what it looks like with the flash. So obviously you can see that the difference is tremendous. Now, guys, I gotta tell you, if you are a professional photographer, okay, this is by no means going to replace your large, heavy, on camera flash. This is, it's definitely not going to compete against that, okay? This is something that is intended for travel and something, made for people that, are not dedicated photographers, but they want very nice, high quality photos. So with that said, this does not have a tiltable head like those very large flashes are going to have. So there's not going to be any bouncing off of walls, your flash. But like I said, for travel and everyday shooting, or just having a light little flash on you, it is a great option to have. So yeah, that is it for the Godox iT30 Pro. Tiny, simple, and rechargeable, and it makes a big difference in your photos. Sometimes it's not about buying the most hyped camera, it's about adding the right piece of gear to the camera that you already have. So that is it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions about the Godox flash, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you on the next one.